Alright, so I just finished in Lexington, Kentucky. I'm here right now. I just had an autocross event there. First one after being at the track. It was interesting. There are some things that translates, like loading up the front suspension. But they are definitely two different things. I need to get better at quickly figuring out the racing line at each autocross event, because that changes every time. So I just got back home from Lexington. I had a lot of fun. There was another guy in B Street there in an Audi RS3. It was a really cool car. I didn't get any shots of it. We went back and forth several times from who was on, who was winning. He ended up actually pulling out the win and got the trophy. He beat me by .06 seconds. So 6/100ths of a second. It was really close. It was nice to have competition. There aren't many drivers in B Street, so that was really cool. But yeah, hopefully you enjoy it. Here's my fastest lap. I had a lot of fun in Lexington with those guys in Central Kentucky region. Like, subscribe, and share. Thank you all.